thunderstorm warning for southwestern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Hanover, Oregon, 12 miles northeast of Lebanon, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover, Haverhill, Canyon, Piermont, Lyme, Benton, Dorchester, Easton, Orford, Wentworth, and Landa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Grafton, New Hampshire,